Hi guys, welcome to BOSH TV. I'm Anna Jones and I'm here with the BOSH boys.
So Ian is going to be cooking us up a treat today. Ian, what's on the menu?
We are going to be cooking up Shirley's Sheffield scones from the brand new BOSH cookbook. Let's do this. Now, Shirley is my mum, and every time I go back to Sheffield, she makes me these scones. The first thing we need to do with this recipe is to blend 140 grams of pre-soaked cashews to make a fantastic plant-based whipped cream. So this recipe is super simple. All you need is a few ingredients and a blender. Whiz everything together and you're done. There's your dough. If yours is a bit too sticky, don't worry about it. Just add a little bit more plain flour and your dough will be perfect. Usually we are Team BOSH, but today we are Team Boobs.
We're here to talk about breast cancer with Copperfield and the master, Anna Jones, who's going to give us a masterclass in kneading.
So we're just going to knead the sultanas into the dough. Kneading is kind of all about trusting your touch, and that's really, really similar to what we're talking about with checking your boobs or pecs.
Well, guys need to do it too.
Because guys need to do it too. Make sure everything feels kind of as it should, just like this does. Lovely and soft and doughy and free of lumps.
And it can save your life.
Exactly.
So I've just pulled a golf ball sized piece of dough from our big piece of dough, and now we're going to roll it before we squish it into scones. So now that the scones are all made, we're going to bang them in the oven for 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius.
And once they're out the oven, spread over your raspberry jam and a good dollop of your cashew cream.
So there we have it, Shirley's Sheffield scones, done and dusted. Let's see what the guys think.
They look amazing.
Yeah, they look like the proper thing.
So this is a British tea time classic, and it can be found in the BOSH cookbook, which is available right now.
They are really, really good.
Good.
Well, there you have it, guys. That was Shirley's Sheffield scones.